Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to bookmark a post on Mastodon. So let's get started. First, we're gonna swipe up so we can see which post we want to bookmark. For example, we want to bookmark this one. So we're gonna click on the post. Next, we're gonna click on the three dots in the top right corner. And we're gonna click on bookmark. That's the fourth option that we have. So now this post has been bookmarked. I'm gonna go back to our home page, and you can access your bookmark posts by going to your profile. That's by clicking the bottom right corner and selecting the first icon out of the four in the top of our profile. That's the one next to the star. And that's how it's done. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more thankful videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.